Hello students, today we are going to learn some important objective question for lesson 3. Okay, the question is, what part of a neuron is responsible for receiving information? The options are A. Axon, B. Terminal fiber, C. Dendrite, D. Myelin sheath. The answer is C. Dendrite. Next question. Electrical stimulation of reticular formation would most likely cause an animal to. The options are A. Sneeze, B. Become blind, C. Wake up if it had been sleeping, D. Stop breathing. The answer is C. Wake up if it had been sleeping. Next question. In evolutionary term, which is the oldest part of the brain? A. Limbic system, B. The cortex, C. The right hemisphere, D. The brain stem. The answer is D. The brain stem. Next question. The change in electrical charge that occurs in a neuron when a nerve impulse is transmitted is known as the A. Action potential, B. Synaptic change, C. Refractory period, D. Ionic charge. So the answer is A. Action potential. Next question. Schizophrenia and Parkinson's disease are both linked to changes in which neurotransmitter? Options are A. Serotonin, B. Glutamate, C. Dopamine, D. Acetylcholine. The answer is C. The answer is C. Dopamine. Next question. The limbic system includes the options are A. Amygdala, hypothalamus, hippocampus, B. Hypothalamus, medulla, hippocampus, C. Hippocampus, pons, thalamus, D. Cerebellum, pons, hypothalamus. The answer is A. Amygdala, hypothalamus, hippocampus. The question is to feel fear as the is to feeling pleasure. Options are pons medulla, B. Amygdala, hypothalamus, C. Thalamus, hypothalamus, D. Cerebellum, amygdala. The answer is B. Amygdala, hypothalamus. Next question. The effect of neurotransmitters may be A. Chemical or electrical, B. excitatory or inhibitory? C. Positive or negative, D. Active or passive? The answer is B. Excitatory or inhibition. Next question. The terminal buttons of a neuron are located at the end of its A. Axon, B. Dendrite, C. Myelin sheath, D. Nodes of Ranvier. The answer is A. Axon. Next question. Which lobe is most closely associated with visual processing? A. Frontal, B. Temporal, C. Parietal, D. Occipital. The answer is D. Occipital. Next question. Communication within neurons is dash. Communication between neurons is dash. Once again I repeat the question. Communication within neurons is dash. Communication between neurons is dash. Options are excitatory and inhibition, B. Inhibition and excitatory, C. Chemical, electrical, D. Electrical, chemical. The answer is D. Electrical, chemical. Next question. Which of following is not a lobe of the brain? A. Frontal, B. Dorsal, C. Parietal, D. Temporal. The answer is B. Dorsal. Next question. A person who is drunk may have difficulty walking in a straight line because the alcohol has impacted their A. Thalamus, B. Reticular formation, C. Amygdala, C. Cerebellum, D. Cerebellum. The answer is D. Cerebellum. Next question. Neurotransmitters carry signals across the dash and dash. A. Refractory gap, B. Axonal gap, C. Synaptic gap, D. Hippocampal gap. The answer is C. Synaptic gap. Next question. The poison courier is an dash for the neurotransmitter acetylcholine. A. Antagonist, B. Protagonist, C. Agonist, D. Cure. The answer is A. Antagonist. Next question. Damage to the hippocampus is most likely to impair A. Memory, B. Balance, C. Sleep, Deep breathing. The answer is A. Memory. Next question. Which part of the limbic system is involved in an animal's feeling of hunger? A. Thalamus. B. Pons. C. Hippocampus. D. Hypothalamus. The answer is D. Hypothalamus. Next question. The dash dash consists of glands that secrete hormones. A. Nervous system. B. Immune system. D. Endocrine system. D. Cerebral cortex. The answer is C. Endocrine system. Next question. Testosterone is to dash as estrogen is to dash. A. Thyroid. B. Parathyroid. B. Testes. Ovary. Sympathetic. Parasympathetic. D. Pancreas, pituitary. The answer is B. Testes, ovaries. Okay, students, that's all. Thank you.